So these are the regular features which we have to research. As per this, tourism is concerned, how it related to movie game. See, like we know, like lot of tourism packages are going on nowadays. Singapore package, Malaysian package, UK package, India also. A lot of packages are going on. So we are coming with the package related to the movie. The people who are in USA or UK, they can just book a package, a holiday package of 10 days or 8 days. So they can come down here, they can use our production facilities, they can come out with a small movie, like 30-minute movie or small album kind of thing, where we are providing our totally production support. It may be camera or in-built studio or whatever it is. And we have your own vehicles also to take them to other remote places or intimate places for the location and knowledge. So these kind of different packages we are creating with the people like, who are already made a good mark in travel agency, tourism industry.
Launch of your new venture, and my support is there with him because their company will be making an album, producing the album for me. So I'm there to sing for you, and I'm really happy it's here in Hyderabad because Hyderabad is very close to me. My first video, my first song, Damadum Bas Kalandar from Jalwadi, the video was shot here at Kotham Shahi Beach. So I've come here, I've sung for Telugu, I've sung a Telugu song for Telugu film. Currently I'm recording a Christmas album also for charity. I'm here for that as well. And we're doing this for the destitute, for the old age. So I've come here many times for performances in Hyderabad. So I'm really happy to be here and congratulations for the new venture.
Thank you once again, your friend Prem Mocha, because of I'm here once again. I used to do lots of programs in Mumbai, and Prem just met me and told me, let's go have something really different and new, if you're willing to do something really great. Let me tell you, this is a lifetime project for me. Coming up with an album is not that easy for a DJ. There are lots of hurdles that an artist like a DJ has to pass just to produce an album or get one company sponsor. It's a big dream for me coming out too. And that dream is being done up by Prem. I owe him a lot and I'm grateful to him. And thank him, that's all, no more words. I'm really happy today. It's a big day for me. Thank you.
I want to see the video album, so you like. So, taking that in clarity, I want to introduce that album. So that any part of the world, any people, and from this stage we will go into the other part of the people, like other part of the places. And as the DJ service is concerned, he's very, as you're seeing him, like how he lives. So since he's the creativity also same thing, like attached with him like that. So he's coming with his own mix, like, with something input to the concept which we are doing, because we want to come with good product. So he's coming with the Underworld Party. Underworld Party, sure. Album name.
How many tracks you have planned?
6 tracks.
Really happy to be here in Hyderabad because Mr. Prem has started his new company, Movie Game, and myself and Jesu, we're the first people doing a project for Prem, and I will be coming up with an album, and soon we'll also be coming up with an album, and we're going to try to do something different.
So you have been to Hyderabad?
Oh yes, many times. So very close to Hyderabad.
Because Andhra Pradesh, it is very lucky for me. I've been here many times. I've come, usually I just was here around 6 years back at Visakhapatnam, Vizag, where we had DJing workshop. I've also performed at many places like Grand Bay Sheraton for the New Year party. I had workshops, many of my students are out here. So it's really something I can't say no words because Hyderabad is also very lucky for me. This is my 5th visit out here. I come out here frequently for some parties, but this time something is really great for me because it is my lifetime project coming up very true for me and it's a big occasion for me. Usually it's not that great for DJs, it's a very struggling thing for them. And that dream of mine has come up with a person like Prem, whom I am very thankful because of him, because a DJ has to go to lots of hurdles. Nowadays producing a music album is not that great. He has to go to DJ competition. I'm lucky without going through all these things. There is somebody out there to help. Already have many of my mixes coming up online. Those are all copyright mixes of mine. Future plan to work out something really different which no DJs have done. Arana Academy in Mumbai, that's probably one of the most biggest academy called Sprinters, where more than around 400 DJs have trained under me. I've judged more than around 13 DJ contests, big DJ contests in India. Spun music for almost around 5,000 programs, and I plan to even sing up some of my mixes, which is something different which no DJs have done up. Say, in the days to come, I may sing up some song related to Kishore Kumar or Amit Kumar. I'm a great fan of them, and I want to do it up something. And if that works up, I think so, Hyderabad will be saying up something really different coming up in the music industry world. And the DJing industry will be really pumping up more better. And I think so that will work out really great with the person concerned. Great.
All the best, sir.
Thank you.
I can wish you.
Thank you.
Pretty, I request you.
It's a really great thing for me being out here with working out with big personalities like ETG out here. So because I'm a big fan of hers. And she's a very talented singer and she's an upcoming star. And about me, this is a venture which I'm doing it up with Mr. Prem. He's a very good friend of mine. We have done many struggling days together. And it's a big income project too for me because coming up and launching myself in Hyderabad, that also with the new album, I'm so excited I can't hold back my happiness. It's something really great for me because doing up a project in Hyderabad where many of my students are also gonna see me out here. I have so many students out here in Hyderabad whom I have trained, whom I have launched in the market of DJing and everything, who are really prospering a lot. So I think so it's a really great ambition for me. Plan to do something really different. Many of my mixes which I plan to release up, I plan to sing some of my songs. Which I have a dream to sing up a song called Rafta Rafta Dekho Raat Meri Ladi Hai. Then Mumbai Sheher Hadson Ka Sheher Hai. Then Govinda Aa Rahe. Plan to sing it up something in different ways and remix it, which no DJs have done it up. Like something like an artist. Being a hardcore fan of R.D. Burman, Kishore Kumar and A.R. Rahman, I want to dedicate something to all those people and do something really different, which I think so will be only possible to doing it up these things only with one such concern like Prem. It will be a big dream for me if I do all these things with Prem. I think so years to come will really say what exactly they are doing. And I think so this project will work really good because I am doing something really different which no DJs have done up so far in India and in the music industry.